welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I make Fenugreek deep conditioner. Now I got the idea from this lady. I'm so bad with this. Like, I watch YouTube videos and these people do these things and I just cannot ever remember their name. But when I do the voiceover, I'm going to look it up and then I'll tell you where I got the idea from. Wait a minute. Natural something. I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, so I've been on this Fenugreek kick. So you see in one of my previous videos is where I made Fenugreek micro seeds. So I am also doing Fenugreek deep conditioner. So I've been using it for probably like a month and I have seen a lot of results. And it smells good to me. I like the plant smell. And it rinses out easily, and so I use the Fenugreek only on my scalp. I don't put it on my hair. I'm gonna show you that in like 2 clips from now. And I just leave it in all day with my regular deep conditioner, which is Mael, and I put that on my hair and a little bit on my scalp, and I just massage it in, and then I just rinse it out. And I have seen some growth. Like some really good improvement. I might do a length check sometime in the future. I don't know. I haven't really done a length check myself in probably a couple months. Maybe maybe a few months. Maybe 4 months or more. I usually don't do a lot of length checks. I just see where my hair is when I detangle it every Sunday, and then just go from there. But I'm going to take you to the kitchen and you're going to see how I make this deep conditioner. We're going to start with some ingredients. This is coconut milk, and we have African shea butter that I'm going to melt a little bit in the microwave. Oh, the person from YouTube is Curly Proverbz, is P-R-O-V-E-R-B-Z, Curly Proverbz. And I soaked some fenugreek seeds in various oils, coconut and olive and almond oils, and I just let it sit. Like, that's been sitting for like a couple weeks or whatever. But you can let it sit overnight. And that is methi powder, which is also fenugreek. Now I'm not using a measuring spoon like Curly Proverbz. Her video, she gives you like exact measurements. Like, hers is very detailed. I'm just so used to being in a kitchen, so I guess I would be a cook, since I cook just about every day. I just use what measurements that are in my head. Then I'm going to pour in some coconut milk to make it creamy, and I blend. Now I've been using this on my scalp for a month, and I have seen, like I've said in the previous clip, I have seen a big improvement. And this one batch here can last me a month. So I don't have to use too much of it, because I'm only using it on my scalp. I'm not going to put it on my hair because I don't, the growth comes from your scalp. The stimulation comes from the scalp. Oh, and look he was just sitting there the entire time sleeping. That's Castiel while I was blending. Just sleeping right in between my feet. Okay, so now that that's mixed, I'm going to pour it in a container that I can pop in the refrigerator. Now, the first time I did this, she recommended that we put it in the freezer. And I thought that was a little bit weird because when I wanted to use it, it would be frozen. And I was like, oh, I'll just see. And then, lo and behold, it was frozen. So I'm only turning on so you can see the creaminess. So yes, I would recommend putting it in the refrigerator. Coldness is good for scalp stimulation and growth, because it's better to have cold on your scalp than hot. And it feels better too. It just feels really good. I mean, you don't have to put it in the refrigerator. You can leave it at room temperature, but I recommend put it in the refrigerator, at least for me. And there goes that beautiful creamy consistency. Now let's put in our hair. So my hair has been washed, detangled, and I'm ready to start this. Yeah, I was like super tired that day. But it's like when you're so used to always being on the go and doing stuff, and you don't sit down until like that night, or probably like only time I really sit down to relax throughout the day is when I'm eating lunch, and then I have to get back up and just do something, a million things I have to do, or at night when after the children are in bed, and then I'm able to relax, and then that is like go time from wake up to sit down at night. And this time there was just I had to do something early that morning at like 2:30, and then I still exercised and went running. So I'm like a non-stop engine. I just keep going until I finally crash and I need an oil change. So this is it's not as easy to grab and smooth out because it was in the refrigerator and it's cold. All you gotta do is just rub your fingers around it a couple times and it will smooth off. And it goes on really easy, and it rinses really well too, so you don't have to worry about like pieces being stuck in your hair. And I also love this smell, like it has that plant smell I said in the other clip. It just smells so good. So now I'm just making sure that I give my scalp a really good scalp massage everywhere. I'm going to do it a couple times so I can make sure that that stimulates. Oh, that's my Maya hair mask, the rosemary strength conditioning. Smells so good. That mint is amazing. I think I did a review on that one. I don't remember. I had to. But anyway, I'm just going to put that on my hair so that my hair gets a deep conditioner as well as my scalp. And of course, some of the Maya is going to get to my scalp, which is fine. I'm okay with that. I just gotta make sure I put it everywhere. Like, I really love this deep conditioner more than my Cantu that I usually use. But the consistency is not as loose as Cantu. So I have to use more product to get it throughout all of my hair. And now I'm just smoothing it out and again massaging my scalp. Scalp massage is very important, whether you have natural hair or relaxed hair or straight hair, kinky hair, curly hair, whichever one is always a recommendation. I'm talking to my son there. He's asking me a million questions again. Okay, so now I'm ready to put it up. I usually just put it in one big twist and put on a shower cap. And then I'll leave it in for the rest of the day. This is in the morning, and I usually do my hair at night around 9:30 or 10. So this is in my hair for about 12 hours, I would say. But you don't have to leave it in your hair that long. You can leave it in your hair for like a good 30 minutes or an hour. You even use a heating dryer if you want. I use my natural heat for my scalp to do it. That's why I put on a shower cap and a wrap on it on top. And it's Sunday, so Sunday is hair day, so as soon as I finish that, I have to help my son get a shower, wash his hair, and then do a protective style. Good thing my daughter is old enough to wash her hair now on her own and to detangle her hair. I just have to do a protective style, but it still takes a long time to do both hairs. So I'm just going to twist that up. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really appreciate each and every one that click on my videos every week and just watch me do different things, and it just means so much to me, the support that I have. So keep watching. I record and upload videos, every Tuesday. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you know the next time I upload a video, which is what I just said, every Tuesday. I just love this hair wrap. My husband got this for me for Christmas. But yeah, so that's my video. And I just gotta put my ears out. And just this little trick, it seals in the heat. Thank you guys so much. Bye.